Curious about the mysteries of Area 51? Welcome to YZ News. Let's dive into what is known and not known about this enigmatic U.S. military installation. Area 51 is a U.S. Air Force military installation located at Groom Lake in southern Nevada. It's an active military facility, not accessible to the public, and under 24-hour surveillance. The only confirmed use of the installation is as a flight testing facility. In 1955, the CIA selected the area as a testing site for the Lockheed U-2, and it was later used to develop other aircraft like the A-12 and the stealth fighter F-117 Nighthawk. The facility has sparked numerous conspiracy theories, including claims of extraterrestrial technology and sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs. In 2013, the CIA declassified documents acknowledging the existence of Area 51, attributing UFO sightings to test flights of military aircraft. The U.S. government has not disclosed any information about the current research conducted inside the facility. Area 51 continues to captivate the imagination, leaving much to be discovered about its secretive operations. Please like, share, and subscribe YZ News.